Hey you guys, it's your girl El Janae and I'm back with another video, really quick tutorial today. So we're going over this look that I have on right now. It's just a pop of color and I'll be featuring the Vivid Brights by NYX. And that's what this liner is right here. So yeah, so you guys stay tuned and just watch. I've already moisturized and prepped my face. I used the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Matte Primer. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my two foundations. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the color Almond, and then also the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation in the color F13. After blending my foundation, I move on to my highlight, and I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the color Neutral Tan. This is a new product from the Can't Stop Won't Stop line. It's a 24-hour matte finish concealer, and I do highly recommend it. Then I just go ahead with my Real Techniques sponge and blend that highlight out. And then I'll be going in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder and setting my highlight. Now I'll be moving on to my contour, and I am using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the color Cocoa. I'll be applying this on both sides of my nose and under my cheekbone, and then also to my forehead. And then I'll just be blending that out with my Real Techniques sponge. Over that contour, I'll be using the Balm Cosmetics Take Home the Bronzer. And then I'll also be going in with a highlighter down the bridge of my nose and on the high points of my cheek with the Nomad x Stockholm highlighter in the color Midnight Sun. And then also, just please excuse the next frames that are to come. I did not know that my camera was out of focus, so it is a little bit blurry, so just bear with me. I swear it will clear up at or near the end of the video. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've already done one eye, so I'll do the same on the other. I started off with the Morphe palette. This palette is the 350M, so it's all matte colors in here. And I'm going to go in with this color here and this color here. And I'm just going to blend those two, and I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid. This was a pretty simple look that I wanted to do with a pop of color, so yeah. And then next I'll be going in with my Luxie 140 Detailed Tapered Blender brush, and I'm done with that Morphe 350M palette, so I'm going to go to the Nubian by Juvias Place palette, and I'm going to be using this darker brown color. This darker brown color here and this like cocoa almost color. I'm just gonna mix those two together. So I feel like I have enough on there. Tap any excess away. And I'm just gonna concentrate on this corner here in like a V shape so I can get the same kind of shape I got going on over here. It's kind of covered up with the eyeliner, but before it's in a V shape. So I'm just gonna put it right there, like near my crease, and I'm gonna bring it down to the corner of my eye. And I'm going to do this several times to build up the color. I don't want any fallout, so I only use a little bit at a time. Since I've already done my face, I don't want to have to clean anything up. And now I'm just going to fill in that V a little bit. And I'm mainly using the darker brown color now, filling in the inside. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe M213 brush. It's a very small brush and it's pretty thin. It's good for making lines or defining a line, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to drag out this line that I got going on here, and I'm just going to drag it over about to almost, you know, almost to the head of my eyebrow. Now I'm going to go in with another Morphe brush. I got this one in a set, and I do not know the number of it, but it's a little rounded brush. I use it for buffing out lines, and that's what I'm going to do right now, is buff out this line. I did also use this Morphe brush as well. It's a larger rounded brush, and I'm going to go in there with that last. So, what I showed you earlier, the NYX Vivid Brights liquid eyeliner. This is the color Vivid Escape, so it's like a lime green color, and I'm loving it. So I'm going to go ahead and line my eye. I'm just going to go back to the Nubian palette, and first I'm going to go in with a darker shade and line my waterline. And I'm using that really thin brush, the M213 or M213 for shorter words. Morphe brush, and I'm just going to smoke it out down there. But I'm not going to bring it all the way in to like the corner of my eye. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with my other small rounded brush, and I'm going to use the more cappuccino-ish looking color here. So now I'm just going to do my bottom lashes, and I'm just using the Maybelline New York, the Colossal Big Shot. And I'm just gonna add some to my top lashes because when I put on my lashes, I don't want my lashes to stand out because they have that lime green liner on there. So, yeah, that ain't cute. As you guys notice, I did not put on any blush because I just want to keep it kind of neutral today. So my lashes hit it on from Kiss. It's their Lash Couture line. It's called the Triple Push-Up Collection. And it's like 3 designs in 1 strip. Oh, that's cool. So there's that picture on there, if you guys didn't see it earlier, in the picture below. And this is the style Teddy. So I'm just letting the glue get tacky. Just waving it around, waving it around. Blow on it a little bit. Okay, since I almost dropped my lash, I better put it on. Let me stop talking. I'll come back to that later. I was gonna talk about my lips, but we'll come back. My glue is almost tacky. And voila, bam, is the look. Ooh. So I'm just gonna stick with my nude lips. I'm just gonna line my lips. I like that. I like that. Yes, I do. I'm getting excited. Let me calm down. And now I'm gonna use Quickie, and that's from Colourpop. Once I find it. I'm gonna go in with my Fresh Brew from MAC Cosmetics. So I just go round over top of that with that, like bam. Just blend all of those magnificent colors together like so. Yeah, like that. Okay, I'm gonna get out the mirror. So I'm gonna go and finish my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna curl it, crimp it, or what. Ooh, you know what? I might wave it. I think I'm gonna wave it, and I'll be back with the finished look. So yeah, sit tight, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look, and I totally forgot to do something with my eye. As you can see, I have some like shimmer shadow on the inside of this eye, but I forgot about this eye. And what I used was this shimmery color from the Juvias Place Nubian palette. It's this color right here. I'm just gonna pop that in on this other eye, and then I'll be done, okay? Now we even, okay? So as you guys can see, I did go with the wave, and I am loving that. This is my first time doing this with this hair. Usually my hair is a lot shorter and it looks real voluminous or really big. Can't say that word. But this is my first time doing it on hair this long, and I am loving it. It's still full of body movement and whatnot, so I'm digging it. I'll probably be rocking my hair like this for forever. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face really quick with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This stuff is amazing. My makeup will stay on for forever, okay? And I usually do this before I do my hair and before I put on my lashes, but I forgot. So, yeah, what do you guys think? Do you think this is beautiful or not? I'm really loving it. It's really simple, something easy to do, really quick, like if you want to jazz it up. But yeah, like, comment, share this video if you are in love with it like I am. Subscribe to my channel, Janae. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And like I just said, subscribe to this channel, Janae. Don't forget. But yeah, subscribe. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I'm like 20 today. Like, what is wrong with me? Probably 'cause I'm feeling myself right now. I'm too cute. Oh. I need to go somewhere. But it's too late to go anywhere. I mean, it ain't late, but one, it's too cold. It snowed here, and it's horrible. Let me stop talking. I'm just jibber jabbering around. But yeah. Bye. Oh, you cute girl. Hey. And that is pure joy in my heart right now, okay?